How does an inert nitrogen atmosphere improve reflow soldering in SMT solder joints? A simple demonstration is the pull-off test. How is the test performed? Identical PCBs and components are processed exactly the same way until it's time for reflow soldering. Board 1 is reflowed in a standard air atmosphere. Board 2 is reflowed in an inert nitrogen atmosphere, measuring less than 10 parts per million of oxygen. The SMT component is then pried from each PCB and examined under a microscope. An excellent solder joint is strong, with intermetallic bonding that's tough enough to pull the solder pad off the PCB when pried off. A weak solder joint has poor intermetallic bonding, and when pried from the PCB, the leads separate easily and leave the pad intact. It also leaves witness marks of solder defects, such as head and pillow or voiding. Examination of the PCB reflowed in air indicates many leads that pulled off the pads easily. Examination of the PCB that was reflowed in nitrogen reveals much better results. Notice how most of the pads were pulled off the PCB, or the lead broke at the component and remained on the PCB. Maintaining an inert atmosphere by using high-purity nitrogen dramatically improves solder joint strength and overall quality. To learn more about how nitrogen soldering can help your contract manufacturing, contact EDP today. At EDP, nitrogen is free.